All right, summer sun's coming out. Starting to use my solar oven again, and therefore starting to use my manual grain grinder again. This is my Nazko manual grain grinder, and it's been in manufacture for 30 years, the longest one in America. This is the original design. It was ripped off from this Native American who makes them in, I believe, Utah. The design was ripped off by Wonder Mill brand. So now you guys know it's the same thing, except the Wonder Mill costs like $200 more, or costs $200, and this one costs $150. So yeah, actually I think the other one's like $230 or $240 now. So it's almost $100 more, whereas this one has stayed the same price. Got 2 egg yolks, a cup and a half, 2 cups of flour, and a very, very overripe banana. Perfect for making banana bread. Nice, that is the best banana. I'm not that patient to hold on to them, and I don't keep them in that best. I don't keep them from getting smashed. They get so smashable at this stage.
I'm gonna whip it into shape.
There we go. Now we'll mix this in. Fold it in. Good enough. And we're gonna fold this over it. Stir it in really lightly, but thoroughly. And just when it thoroughly is, then we'll stop stirring. No stirring anymore, because you don't want to burst any more bubbles than you have to. Because the bubbles are what's gonna release the air and make it expand in the oven without the use of artificial yeasts and things that you have to buy from the artificial economy. You can just use egg whites that you fluff up. You don't need to buy yeast. Alright. As soon as that marbling starts to go away and it's mixed in, then we're going to throw it as fast as we can into the solar oven. It could afford to be a little bit thicker than this. This is on the thinnest side that it should be. My banana bread is done. Yeah! That is so amazing. So amazing. Oh my goodness. Thank you, God. I used this to sweeten my banana bread, and I can smell the cinnamon. Oh my goodness, and I can smell the banana. It's amazing. Now it's ready. There we go. Now it's done. Good stuff.